One day, you will wake up and realize that the person you could have become never showed up. Not because you were not talented, not because you were not smart, but because you kept waiting for motivation, waiting for confidence, waiting for the perfect timing. Listen carefully. Your future is being created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Right now, somewhere inside you, there is a stronger version of yourself beginning to come out, a version that is disciplined, focused, fearless, successful. But that future version of you is depending on the decision you make today. Your future need you, not weak, not distracted, not quitting. If it need you to rise, most people destroying their future in silence. They waste years doubting themselves, scrolling endlessly, comparing their life to everyone else, talking about dreams instead of building them. And then one day they ask, "What happened to my life?" Nothing happened. They simple stop fighting for it. The truth is brutal. Nobody is coming to save you. No perfect moment is coming. No miracle is arriving at your door. The life you want will one only respond to action. You must become the person you dream and require. There will be morning when you feel tired, days when nothing makes sense, moment when people laugh at your vision. Keep going anyway, because winners are not people who never struggle. Winners are people who refuse. Winner are people who refuse to stay down. Every champion was ignored. Every successful person felt uncertain. Every powerful story began with someone choosing not to build. And today, that someone must be you. Think about your future for a second. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Would your future self thank you for the habits you have to today? World that respect your discipline, world that admire your consistency, or what they wish you had starting earlier. Because time is moving, whether you act or not, every day matter, every hour matter, every decision matter. Small action repeatedly daily create extraordinary life. You do not need to be perfect to start. You just need courage. Courage to begin when you are scared. Courage to continue when it gets hard. Courage to believe in yourself when nobody else does. Understand this. Growth is painful. Discipline is painful. Change is painful. But regret is far more painful. The pain of wondering what if last a lifetime. Some people will never understand your ambition. They will call you obsessed, you too serious to focus. Let them talk. Every people are uncomfortable around ambition because it reminds them of the risk they never took. Do not shrink your dream to make others comfortable. You were not born to live small. You were born to build, to grow, to become more. There is a little happening inside your mind every single day. On one voice say rest later, keep pushing, and another voice say cute, it is too hard. The voice that wins is the one you feed. Feed discipline, feed focus, feed belief, because your mindset will either build your future or destroy it. The strongest people are not always the most talent. They are the most consistent. They show up when they are tired. They work when they don't feel motivated. They stay committed long after excitement disappear. That is the difference between wisher and winner. Everybody wants success. Few are willing to earn it. You cannot keep living the same year, over and over again, and expect a different future. If you want change, you must change. Your standard must change. Your mindset must change. Success is not an accident. It is built through discipline when nobody is watching. And listen carefully to this. Your current situation is not your final destination. Maybe you feel lost right now. Maybe you are failed before. Maybe life hit you hard but as you are breathing, your story is not over. Some of the greatest victories are born from the darkest moment. Pressure creates strength, pain creates wisdom, struggle creates power. Stop underestimating yourself. You have survived difficult day before. You have overcome pain before. You have fought battles with people now nothing about. There is strength inside you that you have not even discovered yet. But you will never meet the strongest version of yourself if you keep choosing comfort over growth. Comfort keep people average. Greatness demands sacrifice. Maybe right now nobody believe it in you. Believe in yourself anyway, because something the only person who can change your life is you. You must become unstoppable in your mindset. Wake up with purpose, work with intensity, move with discipline, and remember results do not come instantly. Trees do not grow overnight. Diamonds are not created without pressure. Your progress may be slow, but slow progress is still progress. Keep moving. One day people will see the success, they will see the confidence, they will see the result, but they will never fully understand the lonely night, the sacrifice, the discipline, and the pain it took to get there. That is why your journey must be bigger than applause. Do it for your future, do it for your family, do it for the life you know you are capable of living. So today make a decision. Stop waiting, stop doubting, stop fearing failure. Your future is watching you right now, and it is asking one question: will you fight for the life you truly want? I hope your answer is a yes, because your future needs your stronger, focused, disciplined, fearless. Not next year, not someday, now. So rise up, work harder, stay consistent, and become the person your future is counting on. Your future need you. Do not disappoint it.